Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the image and duplicating the background layer so you always have the original. Next, grab the lasso or pen tool and make a loose selection around the text. You don't need pixel-perfect edges yet. Once done, refine the selection with Select and Mask if necessary to capture nearby shadows or edges. Make sure to include a little surrounding background to help sampling later, because context gives Photoshop better information to reconstruct the area accurately. With your selection active, choose Edit Fill and pick Content Aware. Set Color Adaptation on and click OK to let Photoshop generate replacement pixels. After the initial pass, switch to the Spot Healing brush with Content Aware and paint over residual artifacts to smooth transitions. If complex patterns or repeating elements remain, use the Clone Stamp tool with a soft brush and aligned sampling to manually copy nearby texture. Work in small sections so you can control blending and avoid introducing repeating patterns that give the edit away. Once the bulk of the text is gone, refine color and texture. Use frequency separation or create separate healing layers set to sample all layers so you can non-destructively fix tone versus detail. Make final touch-ups with a small clone stamp and patch tool to rebuild edges or pattern continuations. When satisfied, flatten a copy for output and add subtle sharpening or grain to match the original image. If something looks off, undo, reduce selection size, and repeat the content-aware pass. Small iterations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.